Last night I prayed and I asked the Lord to give me an encouraging message for my brothers and sisters. And the Lord gave me two dreams last night. In the first dream there was Brother Anthony and Sister Kristen. And Sister Kristen had built it was a wooden device that had a lid that was always sliding down, and she built like a braking system, and the lid wasn't sliding anymore. In the second dream, now I've never dreamed with Brother Jan Boshoff, but I did last night. Praise Jesus. In this dream I was in a train with him, and someone there asked Brother Jan if Brother Anthony is also a serious disciple, and he said yeah. So these were my dreams, and I hope they will encourage my brothers and sisters. And I just want to say that we just have to trust Jesus. My Jesus bless you.